Hello, how to make huge profit from broiler farming during festive seasons. 5 key secrets big farmers rarely share. Broiler farming can be a gold mine, especially during festive seasons when the demand for chicken meat skyrockets. However, the key to maximizing profit lies in meticulous planning, proper management, and insider strategies that seasoned farmers often keep to themselves. This guide takes you through the complete process of raising broilers profitably, from chicks' arrival to maturity, and unveils 5 successful secrets for thriving in the competitive broiler farming industry. I will gladly advise you to watch this video till the end so that you get these 5 secrets. Number 1. Process of successful broiler rearing. Arrival and brooding. Successful broiler farming starts with chick selection. Select high quality day-old chicks from reputable hatcheries. The good breed that will give you the maximum result. Brooding is the next thing. On arrival of the chicks in your farm, make sure you welcome them with natural electrolytes. This will help them to calm the stress from transportation, and it will also help you to minimize early mortality as a result of stress. Ensure a clean, well-ventilated brooding areas. Maintain a temperature of 32 to 35 degrees centigrade for the first week, gradually reducing it by 2 degrees centigrade weekly. Use a reliable heat source and keep bedding dry always. For feed and water, provide starter, if possible super starter feed of 22 to 24% crude protein for the first 3 weeks of life. Offer clean, fresh water at all times, adding electrolytes, natural electrolytes or vitamins to boost immunity. Starter feed intake is about 300 to 500 grams per chick in the first week. Daily feed intake and water consumption and weight gain. For the first week of their life, feed intake per day is 30 to 50 grams per chick. Water intake per day is 70 to 100 ml. And while the chicks will weigh 150 to 200 grams the first week. Then second week, their daily feed intake is 50 to 80 grams per chick, while water intake per day is 100 to 150 ml, and the weight gain is 400 to 500 grams. In the third week, feed intake is between 80 to 120 grams, while water intake per day is 150 to 200 ml. Weight gain is 900 to 1.2 kg average. In week 4, feed intake is 120 to 160 grams, while water intake is 200 to 300 ml, and the average weight gain is 1.5 to 2 kg. Week 5 is 160 to 200 gram feed intake per bed. Water intake per day per bed is 300 to 400 ml, while weight gain is 2.5 to 3 kg average. In week 6, feed intake is 200 to 250 gram, while water intake is 400 to 500 ml per day per bed. Weight gain is 3.5 to 4 kg average. Then week 7, 250 to 300 gram of feed intake per chick. Water intake is 400 to 500 ml, while the weight gain is 3.5 to 4 kg average per chick. Week 7, 250 to 300 gram. Water intake is 600 ml maximum, 500 to 600 ml, while weight gain is 4.5 to 5 kg. Then week 8 is feed intake per chick in a day is 300 to 350 gram, while water intake per chick in a day is 600 to 700 milligram, while their weight gain is 5.5 to 6.5 kg average. Then between week 4 to week 8, you give them grower feed. If you are rearing your chick for 8 weeks, it is the growing stage, you switch to grower feed, 20 to 22% crude protein at week 4. Ensure that the feed and water is available always 24/7 to maximize growth. Make sure they have electrolyte in their water, either organic or probiotic. Monitor birds' heads, spacing, and feeder and waterer. Make sure they have enough feeder and enough waterer, that is drinkers. Position them in a strategic place to avoid wastage, because any feed they waste cannot be converted and it is a loss to you as a farmer. Expected weight at maturity. At week 8, broilers should weigh between 5.5 to 6.5 kg if managed properly with adequate biosecurity. While total feed consumption per bird is approximately 5 to 6 kg by maturity. Best time to market for maximum profit. Market your birds between 7 to 8 weeks when their weight is optimal and feed conversion efficiency is highest. Festive periods such as Christmas, Salars, or New Year offers premium prices. Now, the 5 secrets to successful broiler farming big farmers rarely share. Number 1, invest in quality feed. Use high quality feed tailored for each growth stage. Cheap, low nutrient feed compromises weight gain and profitability. That is secret number 1. Make sure you get the 5 secrets before you stop watching, so that you get the maximum result from this particular video. You can see all these broilers, they are at their optimal period and they are giving us maximum results because we applied all these secrets we know. Secret number 2, optimize stock density. Avoid overcrowding. Maintain 1 bird per square foot to ensure proper growth and prevent disease outbreak. Secret number 3, healthy birds need health monitoring and vaccination. Stick to a vaccination schedule and monitor for common diseases like coccidiosis. Early detection saves costs and money. Number 4 secret is feed efficiency practices. Is very important. Use automated feeders and waterers to reduce wastage. Add probiotic or enzymes to improve digestion and growth. Secret number 5, market timing and packaging. Target festive period for highest prices. Offer value-added services like dressed or portion chickens for more profit. When chicks are properly dressed, the buyers prefer it, so it will not give them stress of working towards dressing the chicks again. It will be easier for them to cook, so they prefer dressed chicks, and that you can add all the value there and get maximum profit. Please make sure you apply all these 5 secrets as I earlier stated. These 5 secrets most seasoned farmers rarely share this with you, and this is one of the secrets that make them outstanding among others. While others are selling at a very high cost, they sell at a low cost and getting the massive market demand. When you invest in high quality feed or you produce your own feed in your farm, this will reduce the cost of feeding. Or you buy feed in bulk. Buying feed in bulk if you don't produce in your farm is another good way to save cost, because when you buy feed in bulk at starting point, it's going to help you a lot, because during the festive period the cost of feed increases as the demand increases also. So if you buy at a very low cost at the beginning time of the season, this will help you to save cost, because once the feed cost increases, you already have them at a low cost in your farm. The expiring date of packaged feed is about 3 months. So, and you are rearing your chicken for 8 weeks. That means the feed will not expire before you take your chicks to the market. And the additional costs of the feed will not affect you also. Why those that will buy the costly feed at the long run will increase the cost of their chicks in the market. You'll be selling at a very low cost, and that will drive the market towards your own side. You will sell your chicks faster than all of them, and you make much profit. Assuming you have 100 broilers, and the cost of these particular chickens now, we make our own feed in our farm here. A bag of feed of 25 kg is sold at the rate of 28,000 naira for finisher now, at the time of making this video. Before 25th December, it will be sold over 30,000 naira. That is almost additional of 2,000 naira per bag. And because we have the feed already, this additional cost will not affect us. While we'll be selling at a cheaper rate, those that buy at a costly rate will check the cost per bird. Their cost will be very high, so they will be selling their own at a very costly price, while we'll be selling at a lower price. And before they even start selling, we might have already finished selling our own chicks and make much profit. That's why it's better you buy your feed at the same time from starting point, so that the additional cost will not affect you also. That additional cost will be an advantage to you. It will be an additional profit to you instead. Or you make your own feed in your farm. When you make your own feed in your farm, you get the best feed quality and get the best results, and at a cheaper rate also. So this is one of the secrets you need to know. And that's why I always advise you to watch my videos till the end, because you will be getting some insider secrets that will help you also. Broiler farming can be highly lucrative when approached with the right knowledge and strategies. By understanding the essentials of brooding, feed management, weight tracking, and leveraging insiders tips, you can maximize your profit margins. Use the festive seasons to your advantage. Market your birds wisely and focus on delivering quality. Success in broiler farming is about consistency, care, and clever marketing. Start small, grow big, and watch your poultry farms thrive. If you find this video very interesting, please give it a thumb up. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, subscribe and activate the bell notification, so that once the updates on any of this topic is released, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. Share this video to reach more farmers and to help more farmers also to grow. This is one of the best way you can help other farmers also. If you have any question regarding this particular topic or any other topic in poultry farming, drop it on the comment section. Let's meet there. I will answer your questions there. And if you have any issue regarding selling your broiler during this festive period that you don't want to know, please get in touch with me on the comment section. I will advise you on what to do. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel membership, do this. Will help you to gain knowledge on how to run your poultry and agri business profitably. It will be an advantage to you because you get in touch with us at all times. We end this video here while we meet on the comment section for more guide. For now, I say bye.